Hello again everybody, welcome to this video. Today I'm just going to do a review on a book called The Go-Giver by Bob Burg and John David Mann. So this is a business book that I read a few years back, and it has really changed my perspective on business. It talks about the 5 laws of stratospheric success, and I'm going to do a quick overview of this book for you. I'm going to encourage you to take time to get this book and read it. It was a great book, an easy read, and it gives you some insights on how you can use these simple strategies to advance your business. So I'm going to go over these strategies for you in this video. Law number 1 is the law of value. So your true worth is determined by how much more you give in value than you take in payments. So be exceedingly gracious to everyone you meet. Have a powerful sense of focus and intention with regards to your business, and make the service you deliver an unforgettable event for your clients. What you're trying to do is exceed people's expectations, and they will pay for your services or your product even more than the ticket price that you are selling it for. Now, in this law, your role is to give and to give and to give. And it's not just a strategy, but it's a way of life. Because you should be in a business that you love to do, you should love to give what you have to offer to people through your business in hopes that it will be a blessing to their lives. And as a result, you would add more value to them. And as a result of that, you will get more revenue into your business. So law number 1 is the law of value. Law number 2 is the law of compensation. So your income is determined by how much people you serve and how well you serve them. Or your compensation is directly proportionate to how many lives you touch. So the greater impact you have, the more reach you have, the more people that you can impact with your business, the more money you will make. So it's not only a matter of value, but it's a matter of impact. Now you get to determine the level of your compensation by the level of impact that you want to have in your business. If you want more success, find a way to serve more people. Everyone can be successful because everybody can give. So make up the story of your life and then go out and make it happen. Try to impact as much people as you can, and the law of compensation will begin to work for you. Law number 3 is the law of influence. So your influence is determined by how abundantly you place others' interests first. In any business, you need to know how to develop your network. A network is a group of people who you know, who you like, and who trust you. People who are personally invested in seeing you succeed. An army of personal walking ambassadors working for you and you for them can create a massive amount of revenue into your business, and you can touch the lives of a lot of people if you have the law of influence working for you. You create this network by stop keeping score. If you do something nice for someone, don't keep score and say, okay, now this person owes me. Just continue to give, continue to be a blessing to people, and they will start to become your army of ambassadors vouching for you and your business. Always be concerned and watch out for what other people need, and in your heart, always keep the faith that when you need something, people will look out for your needs as well. So money, position, accomplishments don't create influence. Influence creates money. Influence creates positions, and influence causes accomplishments to come into your business. So giving makes you attractive. So the third law of stratospheric success is the law of influence. But in order to have influence, you have to give first and look out for other people's interests more than your own. Law number 4 is the law of authenticity. So the most valuable thing you have to give people is yourself. What you really offer is you. A genuinely sound business principle can be applied anywhere, but what should differentiate you from everyone else is you. You are the person. God made you with specific skills, talents, and abilities, and your personality cannot be the same as anybody else's. But the value that you bring makes you authentic, and you are the best person to run your own race. So be you in your business and allow yourself, allow your personality, allow all that you have to offer to attract people to your authentic personality and allow it to be a blessing to your business. That was law number 4, which is the law of authenticity. Be yourself. Law number 5 is the law of reciprocity. The key to effective giving is to stay open to receiving. Anything you give can only happen because somebody is open to receiving. So likewise, when you are given, always expect to receive something back. Whether it is monetarily, you're receiving payment, or if you give a referral of a business to someone else, always expect to receive something back. Expect to receive a referral to your business. Expect to receive payment for things that you do. Expect to receive people coming into your business. As you give out, expect to receive as well. You have to remember to keep the faith and remember that as you give, it will be given unto you. And always expect to receive as you give as well. So if you don't let yourself receive, you are rejecting the giving of others and you shut off the flow of this blessing. So other people who understand this law will try to give to you as well. But if you say, no, it's okay, you don't have to, you are blocking their future blessings. So likewise, if they are giving something to you, you just need to receive it. And as you give to other people, insist that they take it and that they receive their blessing as well from you, and you will receive your blessing as well. It's a cycle, it's a flow, and as we continue to give to each other, to be a blessing to each other, blessings will come back to us. So the secret of all this is you get what you expect. What you focus on is what you will get. Don't put your focus on selfishness and greed, and it won't affect you. Like a healthy immune system, disease can be all around you, but it doesn't have to affect you if you have a healthy immune system. So use these 5 laws of stratospheric success from the book The Go-Giver. I encourage you to go out and buy it and read it. There's so much information that you can take from it and apply it into your life. So that's it for this video. Again, if you need more information from me or any more free resources, you can go on to my website, which is business.chriscreary.com. There's a link in the description. You can review this video again and get the notes, or you can download any other free resources if you need to find a business idea or if you want to grow your business. I'm here to help you get started and to grow your business and to do great things. So let's go out and make it happen today. Be blessed.